Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I wanted to show you this fun little project I'm working on here, and I think it turned out really cool. And I will show you a different example in the middle. I did a stamp in here, but I think today I want to show you guys how to do the distress texture paste, and we can add a little black to it just to make it a different color. And let's see, what else do I got? So what I did on here is, this is watercolor paper. It's 5x7, 98 pound, and 160 GSM is what it is. And it's great. I love this stuff. Some of these things will be down in my Amazon links down below, so come check them out. So I got that, and then we got some fun, my big stencils here. I don't know if I want to do butterfly or dragonfly, but these are some of my stencils. I just have a lid to do the little mixture on with the distress paste and just the black acrylic paint. I just got this like at Walmart, this one. Okay, and a little palette knife, a fan brush, just some daubers here. And I just have assorted inks that I have. Just nothing too special, just some inks I have laying around. So I will get set up and we can get started. All right, so just to show you guys how I did the background here, how it's all wavy. And it's pretty easy, it's really fun, and I will show you that little trick right now. So I just took a piece of cardboard. This is just one of the dividers that divides my cat's, her wet food that I give her. So it's just like one of the dividers in the middle. And so what I did for the clouds at the top here, for the sky, is I took my scissors and I just cut a little wavy cut, just like that. Like more of a small, just little humps like that, just to make it little wavies. So that's for the top here. And then for the bottom part, I did bigger waves, like that. So I just cut just like that. So you could do them however you want. I mean, there's really no rhyme or reason. It's just get a good smooth. Smooth is always nice, just a smooth cut to it. And that's how I did it. So you just take your template and put it down. And you could do this on, you don't have to do it on watercolor paper. You could do it on just regular copy paper or, I mean, anything you really have should work fine. So I just take it and I don't put it perfect. I kind of slant it. And then I take my dauber. And I think a makeup brush would work better for this. I just don't have one. One of those makeup brushes. I think that would work really nice for this, which I should invest in. Okay, so I'm just starting with the lighter blue here. And I'm just using the same blue dauber for all of them because I'm not too concerned about it. So I just take it and do circles lightly. I just think this just turns out so fun. So then you can see how it does that. And then I give it some space. You can even do a little tilt like that. And then you could do the same color, or you could throw in another color. And then just kind of, you judge it how dark you want them or how light. So this is just kind of the wispy little fun clouds at the top. See, just like that. You could turn it, and I'll do a little darker. It's kind of fun to have the contrast, excuse me, of, the lighter to darker, or darker to lighter, just kind of blend it throughout. So that's always nice to do. But I just had so much fun doing this, I thought I'd pop on and show you guys so you could kind of see how that's turning out. And then you could just come down here. Go like that. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day today and getting out all your inks and your cardboard cuttings and doing some fun little clouds and some grass, and I don't know, these just turn out so fun. So you could just see like that. And then if you want, you can, you know, get some of it off your dauber and then go to the lighter color. Just play around with it. Like I said, there's no rhyme or reason. We're just here to have some fun and see what happens, you know? Okay, and then I'm gonna do like that. Okay. So I'm liking that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing at the bottom with my greens. All right, so I'm gonna do the bigger wavy lines, and I'm just gonna start about right there. And I'm gonna start with the lighter. Some color going across. It's just so much fun to see how it turns out. And then you can slant it a little. And I'll go to a little darker.
Okay. And then I'm going to turn it
A little bit like this. And I got a little bit darker here. It's just so much fun. And all it is just piece of cardboard you put down and some color with some inking. So I'm gonna try this. This one's washable. I don't know. I don't really use this one much, so I figured I'd try it. Let's see. I haven't tried it yet. We can experiment together. Let's see, do I like it? Oh, it's not too bad. That's not bad. Okay. There we go. And if you want, you could tape this down so it doesn't move. It's just, you'll tape the sides, and you don't want the sides really taped up. But sometimes when you get towards the bottom here, and you do this, the paper kind of moves. So just maybe just make sure to put your hand down or something like that. Because if you do tape it, you'll, you know, have some, unless you want a border around it, that would look kind of cool. You could take masking tape and just kind of tape all the way around, and then it would be like a border when you're done. That's kind of a cool idea, and it would keep it down for you. So just keep that in mind when you get down towards the bottom. When you're inking like this, the paper might slide around on you. So just to let you know that, because it's kind of hard to hold on to it. But that's a good idea with the masking tape. Let me know if you guys try that. I'd love to know how that worked out with a border around it. That'd be kind of cool. Something different. And if you guys are enjoying this video, please hit the like button. That really, really helps me out and gets my video out there more for everyone to enjoy. See, that's really cool. It just looks like rolling hills to me. And like, you know, really cool clouds in the sky. So it's pretty fun. Oh, that got a little darker, huh? And then you could just take it and just kind of fill in the bottom if you want. All right, so I accidentally got a little bit of dark green from it was on my gloves, but that's okay. We're gonna do some splatters and stuff and it'll look fine. So I did a little bit of Distress Texture Paste from Ranger, and I put that on my lid here. I'm gonna do a little bit of black. So I just go ahead and just mix it really good. And you could do this any color you want. I mean, just take, just just whatever colors you want to do. Any acrylic paint would work great. And I'm just going to set that to the side for a second because I want to stamp really quick. So I'm going to go ahead and do some just word. I like the word stamps just to put it around. So this is just a word stamp that I got off Amazon. And it works great. So I'm just going around, just doing a little bit of stamping. Just give it a little bit of interest here. There we go. All right, so we got that. And then now, let's see, do we want butterfly or dragonfly? What, kitties? Little Patty's gonna come say hi to everybody. Okay. No, you what? She wants me to let her outside the gate to run around, but she can wait a second. Let's see. Oh, that one might be kind of cool, huh? I don't know if I have enough texture paste, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this down how I want it. Let's see, like that. And I might have to add some more paste, but I'm just gonna take it and put my paste all around and then lift it off, and we'll see how it turns out. I think this turned out really cool. So it's all still wet. I'm just gonna let it sit and dry. And what do you guys think? I would love to hear in the comments because I had a lot of fun doing this. And like I said, you can add a stamp to the middle of it. You could do a stencil with just ink, your inker, and you could do that. Or you could do, you know, the distressed texture paste. You could do, I got crackle paste. Here, I'll show you. I think I have both of these down in my Amazon links too. These two. And then you got the crackle paste. You could do watercolors and do that on your stencil with it. I mean, there's just so many different things that you could do with it, but I really wanted to show you guys the concept with the cardboard and just cutting it out and doing it like that and getting pretty little textures and stuff in the background, and I think it turns out really cool. So I hope you guys found this video informational, and if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.